Okay, you guys may know that I registered for an American Demolition Derby coming up. And this car here will be the one I'm taking. So I did smash the back window out of it yesterday because I accidentally locked all the doors and then closed them. Actually, to be honest, it wasn't me. It was a buddy that was over, put the car in here, locked the doors, closed them with the key in the ignition. So we ended up smashing the back window out of the thing, but we're going to smash a couple more dozen windows out of this thing today. So my plan for today is all the windows, maybe leave the windshield in at this point in time out of this thing, maybe the sunroof, I'm not sure. Get the rest of the dash out and maybe some like inner fender well plastics and windshield washer jugs, and put the hood on the roof and get some ideas of what we're going to start doing to this, and maybe go through some of the rules today and see what we can and can't do to this. So I'm going to start taking out some of the interior in this. I don't know how much I'm going to get done because I got to go somewhere at noon today, so that gives me 4 hours, plus I got to do a whole bunch of laundry, so we'll see how much I get done. Well, we got all the interior out. We got the windows out, all the windows, even the windshield. We got the dash out. I did suffer a little bit of a couple cuts, but I'm okay with that. Car still runs and drives. There you go. But yeah, still lots to do to this. I think some of the next things we're going to do is pull the motor out. We're going to clean the interior. We're definitely going to clean the garage because it's gotten pretty dirty. Sunroof is out. There's still all the electrical in it. Fuel tank's still in it. But yeah, some of the next things we're going to do is we're going to yank the motor. We're going to change out the power steering lines, pull all the plastic from around the wheel wells, and do that. The reason we're yanking this motor is because I need to put a 4-cylinder in this. A lot of you guys are actually starting to like these V6s. I still haven't got the hang of them, so for a bigger show, I'd rather just get rid of the V6, put what I know in there, which is a good old reliable 4-cylinder. Even if it's harder on the transmission with a bigger car, I'd rather do that. So, like I said, we got to rip this thing out of there. That's probably going to be the next video. But I did get a good dumpster car, so all this stuff is going to end up in this car outside. Still waiting on parts for the ATV. Sorry, guys. When the parts come in, I'll continue the videos. So here is our dumpster car. This right here is a 2009 Ford Fusion. It can never go back on the road due to rust issues. And unfortunately, because of the wheelbase and because it's a V6, this is a large car. If it was a 4-cylinder, this would be a mini car. And yeah, she's just our new dumpster car. Interior is nice. Interior is really nice. But she ain't no good to us. I built a 4-cylinder one of these and rented it out, and didn't do very well, but it did do okay. And here's all the stuff I've already started throwing in here. So we'll be filling this car up over the next 2 weeks and then getting rid of her. So this thing will be coming along, and in our next videos we'll probably be finishing ripping out some of the interior, vacuuming it all up. I just gotta go today, and then we'll be starting underneath the hood. I'm gonna put this motor up for sale, so I don't know, it might end up in Africa. I'm gonna be a little bit nicer removing it than I normally am, so hopefully it goes well. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I know we're back into the build videos. This is not, this is a Camry overall. It's what I call an XL Camry. I've built one of these before, but my last one I really didn't do anything to it. So this one here, we're going to be doing quite a bit to it, and like I don't even think the last one I took the dash out, but to get the dash out of this one was completely different than a Camry. The crossbar is a lot different, the heating's a lot different, even the shifter is a lot different. So these cars are a Camry based product, and all the Camry stuff will fit in them, but it is a extra large Camry. When we pull the motor, we're going to be getting rid of all the ABS stuff just to give us more space. But yeah, stick with us, guys. We're going to be building this thing up over the next couple of weeks because it's about 2 months away when this thing's getting derbied. I still don't have a cage for it because one of my cages are still lent out. It is actually in a Saturn that I got to get the cage out of. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you back here later on Zach's workshop. We're going to pretty much do a lot of things. I got a little bit of ideas for this car, but we'll have to go from there. I haven't got the trunk open yet because it got kind of backed into by a loader a long time ago. So not my loader, a different loader. But thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you back here later on Zach's workshop. Take care.